Hello. Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving us this opportunity to present our case study here. So today I am going to talk about the Yamaguchi chart, which we have used for one of our production lines of electrical safety gloves for the line balancing. So Raychem 𝗟𝗏𝗃 plant, it is situated at 𝗏𝗃. It is near about 40 kilometers from the Mumbai airport. And it has a total area of 4 acres. And we have total workforce around 420 employees and around staff of 132. And it is a part of 𝗟𝗏𝗃 Group. It is one of the companies of 𝗟𝗏𝗃 Group. 𝗟𝗏𝗃 Group serves in different sectors like EPC, tires, IT, and plantation. And we come from the specialty sector where we deal with the energy products. And it is also a joint venture between TE Connectivity and 𝗟𝗏𝗃. It is a 50-50 joint venture. So today I am going to talk about one of the product which we manufacture 𝗏𝗃 plant, which is called as a electrical insulating gloves. So it is a category 3 safety product which deals with the direct contact with the live wire working. So it is directly used by the workman in a live wire, and there are 6 SKUs in this product. So we manufacture all 6 SKUs from the working voltage of 500 volt to the 36,000 volt, and we manufacture as per the compliance of global product like IEC 60903 and EN 60903. So what was the problem statement? The current problem statement in the electrical safety gloves line was the unbalanced workload on the machine, which is resulted in delay in the supply to the customer, not able to meet the delivery deadlines of the customer. So for that, I will go through the manufacturing process flow of the electrical safety gloves. So it is a very long process. So first we start with the storage. So this is the raw material storage, latex, which we buy. This is the natural rubber. Then it goes for the weighing, then maturation, then we do the dipping in our dipping cell, then it passes through the leaching process, oven, steeping. Then we mark each gloves with a unique number. Then it goes to the visual inspection, washing, tumble drying, oven conditioning, autoclave, cutting and chlorination. After the chlorination, it goes to the electrical testing. So each glove is tested at high voltage, at rated voltage as per the standard. Then it goes to the visual inspection. Then the printing and packaging happen. So it is a very long process. Like a class 00 gloves, it takes around 8 days to produce from the dipping to the packaging. And for the class 4, it takes around 18 days. It's a very long process. And as it is a category 3 safety product, the customer is not ready to wait for the longer duration of time to get the deliveries. So then we map our current processes for the capacity wise, and we draw what is the customer required line, the target line, and we identify what are the bottleneck processes in our current process which we require to improve. Similarly, we did with the cycle time analysis, where we identify what are the NVA, NNVA, and VA activities on cycle time, identify which are the processes which we need to work on. After this identification, we made a plan for what is the capacity which we require to build in these processes to get what is our customer, to meet the customer demand and debottleneck our processes. So we identify 4 processes which we need to debottleneck: electrical testing machine, then oven conditioning, then the washing, and the dipping. Then for this, we make the action plan to debottleneck these 4 processes. So we have started to procurement of ovens, electrical testing machine, washing machine, and dryers. So this will be in process, and that will be completed by Jan 26. Also, we did the Gemba work to identify what are the kaizens which we can do to improve our efficiencies or also reduce the NVA activities. And then we map our future state post improvement, what will be our the ภิ look like, and the line balancing, in which can see that our 4 bottleneck processes are removed and only the remaining one is bottleneck was the dipping. So our target was to reduce all the bottlenecks and derive the capacity using only one process, dipping. So after doing this improvement, so we will be able to improve the throughput of 6,000 pairs per year, which will get us the additional revenue of around 1.2 crore annually. And also with this deal 4 bottleneck, we will able to debottleneck the 4 machines and reduce the idle time. Also, it will help us to reduce the non-value-added activities and improve the resource allocation. Thank you.
Yeah. You said the problem was that you were not able to meet the customer demand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, I hope you are able to meet the customer demand now.
So customer demand, with this improvement, we will able to meet our all the delivery timelines.
Okay. But then what about the if customer demand goes high? Maybe in future?
So we are have a future forecasting. As for forecasting, we are now planning to add the additional capacity because currently our single bottleneck will be the dipping. For the dipping, we need to have a much additional capex. For that, we are planning in next year to add one more additional capacity to improve the total output.
Okay, so you mean to say that as far as this existing facility is concerned,
yes,
we have extracted enough complete juice out of it, and then
yes,
you need to go for additional facility.
next.
Is that so?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Initially, you said the process takes 8 days
8
and
days
18 days for the other products.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
How much it has reduced now?
So the lead time is not reduced, but the bottleneck, like the product was taking at the different processes, that has reduced. But that is currently yet to be implemented. It will be implemented by January. After that, we can calculate the next lead time.
But you must have the rough idea how much. What is your
So
target?
it is expected to reduce for the class 4 by 1 day, and for class 00 around 0.5 days.
0.5 days and
1 day for the class 4. We should take 18 days for the class 4. We should take 17 days after the doing these activities.
so how much is the ROI? Whatever the expenses are, how much the benefit you are going to get?
So ROI, it is expected to get back by 2 years.
2 years.
2 years.
And you also mentioned there are some kaizans going on this line changes.
Yes.
What is the method of kaizans?
So we do the Gemba walk and we identify what are the improvements it can do. So we talk with the operators and the shift supervisors. Now we are doing the complete relayouting for in the downstream processes. There are 2 processes, upstream and downstream. We are doing the downstream processes from electrical testing to packaging, relayouting, so that the process time will be reduced, the travel time will be reduced.
Okay, thank you.